These therapies are complex for many reasons. One is there's so many service providers, so many complicated steps, so many parts that need to fall in line for the therapy to be delivered to the right person at the right time. But also the cost of failure is high, right? So when I say cost of failure, doing it wrong, there's a problem with it. Yeah, it costs a lot, but if the wrong patient gets the therapy, it doesn't matter how miraculous that therapy was, that patient could die. So the cost of getting that therapy wrong is a big deal. And also the other complexity is that just the number of these trials that are happening, the number of these things that are being innovated is just growing so dramatically that the challenges of getting it manufactured in-house or through CMOs and everything is just becoming very, very difficult. So challenges on all sides, from the supply chain side and the complexity of the supply chain, from the cost of failure and just the sheer number of things that need to get done.